In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best B&Q discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for B&Q discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called Hot UK Deals, and as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use to get some discount. So if you want to get this one with £10 discount, you can simply select this button where it says the code, and this is the promo code that you can copy, and you can use this one to get a £10 discount on your next order. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Coupon Follow, and right here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that you can use to get some benefits. So let's say that you want to get this one with a 15% discount. Simply select this button where it says show coupon code, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this one, and you can apply the promo code on your next order to get a 15% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.